As with all canine emotions, a dog will communicate feelings of sadness through body language and behaviours. AnimalWised discovers the 10 signs your dog is sad and depressed. Lying down for hours. An active dog is a happy dog. While the amount of exercise they can tolerate will depend on energy levels, age and other factors, a healthy dog will use any excuse to take a walk or explore new environments. If a dog is lethargic all the time, but they don't have a specific health problem, it's likely a sign they are sad and depressed. Performing repetitive movements. Stereotypy is the medical term for a persistent repetitive act which serves no specific purpose. Common stereotypies in dogs include walking around in circles, chasing their tail, or chewing their paws, although they can be almost any abnormal behaviour if repeated in this way. If we see our dog performing these repetitive movements, it's not only a sign they are sad, but they've reached an acute state of anxiety. Immediate intervention is essential. Walking with head and tail down. Although they also include other forms of communication, certain types of body language are known as calming signals. These signals are signs of submission to show the dog doesn't want to engage in a fight. They are especially important for dogs in groups since conflicts over various resources can arise easily. When a domestic dog is sad and depressed, they may use calming signals such as walking with their head and tail down, even if there's no apparent threat in their environment. Discover more about what your dog is trying to tell you in the info video shared above. Curling up into a ball. All potential signs of sadness in dogs need to be examined in context. A dog will curl up into a ball when they want to feel cozy and comfortable. When this happens, they'll be relaxed and in a state of contentment. If a dog is tense, fidgety and fearful when curled up into a ball, it's most likely they are stressed, scared or depressed. Harling or moaning. Body language can reveal to us sadness and depression in dogs, but so too can various other behaviours. Vocalizations such as harling and moaning are usually signs a dog's depression has reached an acute stage. Again, the context is paramount. Young dogs learning to communicate by harling are simply expressing their canine nature. A dog moaning for prolonged periods with low energy and a detached manner are more than likely depressed. Flattened ears and other calming signals. We've already explained how calming signals are used by dogs to avoid conflict. They also use them when they are depressed. They are so low they perceive various stimuli as threatening their well-being. When a guardian wants to interact with them or play, the dog just wants to be left alone. This can be seen in gestures such as flattening their ears, repeatedly looking out the corner of their eye, repetitively licking the sides of their mouth, or avoiding eye contact. Tension and aggression. When a dog's depression is chronic or they've become emotionally unstable, it can develop into tension and even aggression. The confusion of their mental state means they are no longer able to react to stimuli and situations in a healthy way. The result can be signs of aggression such as growling in a low register, baring their teeth, marking inappropriately, fixing their gaze, or generally maintaining a tense body posture. The reasons for depression in dogs are varied. Acquired depression can occur due to a traumatic event such as the loss of a beloved companion, changes in routine, stresses in their environment, or even physical health issues. Certain factors can also predispose a dog to depression, such as a lack of socialization, poor education and training, or simply not providing the right level of care. It's also very important we understand our dog's personality and look at the context of their depressive behaviours. Normal behaviours in some dogs can be signs of depression in others. Learning more about how dogs communicate can help us understand them better. If we think our dog is depressed, we should take them to a veterinarian to rule out a health problem and seek advice. You may want to speak to a canine ethologist or trainer for practical help in dealing with our dog's negative emotions. If you want to know more about the behaviour of dogs, don't miss the playlist we share here. Has your dog ever experienced depression? Let us know what you did about it, and we'll see you next time.